My name's Roswitha Sanders, and I am at the Daytona Keiser University, and my major is radiology.
Hello, my name is Carlos. My major is RT. I was an EMT. I volunteered for over 10 years. I've been in the medical field for a long time. I think I was born to help people out.
One day I broke my little pinky toe. I went to the hospital. I had to call my husband. He was in the military. I told him I broke it. He says, "No, you did not." I'm like, "Yes, I did." We had x-rays done. I showed him. Doctor came in and said, "This is where you broke it." I'm like, "I told you." And ever since then, I loved x-rays.
My main interest that I liked a lot was the nuclear medicine. For me to get into that, I would have to take this field, and I heard a lot of good things about Keiser. And so far, they lived up to it. Everybody's awesome over here.
I do love the campus here. It is a smaller class, and with me being older, I need that extra time, extra one-on-one. We do have all age groups here, and we all get along like brother and sister, which is nice.
The way the program is being ran, a class a month, is amazing because you get to concentrate on actually one class.
It is a lot of work, a lot of information at one time, but I do love it because of the acceleration. If you're struggling, they will be there to help you. And it doesn't matter how long it takes. They want you to know it and to make sure you know it.
Everybody here, the whole staff is pretty awesome. They're helpful. They're here for you at any time. This is the place. I've gone to school before in other places, and studying multiple classes all at once is frustrating, it's stressing. You don't have that over here.
I just want to say, if you do come to Keiser, don't ever give up. There's so many times I was like, "Oh, I'm done." But don't do it, because before you know it, you're going to be graduating. It goes by so quickly, and there are plenty of people here to help, and it's a great journey. It really is.